Ladies and gentlemen, here we are at Weapons of Math Instruction. Can you guys tell me a little bit about your cannon?
So it's an air cannon. All the air goes into this base down here. There's a 45-degree angle. All we have to do is pull this switch. We have an attachable barrel. It'll launch a tennis ball, hopefully pretty far.
Pretty far. Yeah. What kind of distances are you getting?
Our farthest is like 130.
130 yards. Yeah. Yes. Hi. Can you guys tell me a little bit about your weapon of math instruction?
It's an air cannon. It hasn't been tested yet. That's why we're here right now. Yeah. So we don't really know how far it goes. But listen.
Okay, we're totally listening.
I think I'm gonna bejewel it tonight before I let you take it home. So that way we get those extra credit points.
I understand. It's all about the extra credit.
Honestly, no, because I was talking to what's his name in study hall, and he said he got 14 points of extra credit during this project, and it really saved his grade. So I'm thinking if we just can rack up as much as possible,
as much as possible,
then we can get rid of that pesky 48% I have in the class right now.
I also have a tote bag filled with Sharpies.
Oh, okay.
So, when we go back to the bait in probably 10 minutes,
we're going to decorate.
Decorate. Congratulations.
We're academic weapons.
All right, gentlemen, what can you tell me about your weapon of math instruction?
Are you hiding? All right, we have a pressure gauge on here. We have this rowing machine that we hooked up to 45 degrees, so it'll shoot the farthest, best angle. Got the manual valve.
Yeah.
4-inch tank, and this is 4 feet long.
Yeah, that is quite the chamber.
Then you have the Schrader valve at the top.
Yeah.
To fire it, just open up the valve.
And what kind of distance are you getting?
The last time we tested it was like 90 yards, 100 yards.
Are you going to hit me in your first 3 shots?
Maybe.
Okay.
I don't know.
Nice. Good luck. I am so sad that I didn't just get that recorded. So can you tell me a little bit about your air cannon right here? Not you.
What?
What can you tell me about your weapon of math instruction?
We rebuilt it, and this is it.
Excellent.
Thank you.
The little tiny thump that just happened, how far did that go?
Right here.
Yeah. I am not concerned. You guys are going to do great. And remember, just like a second of hairspray is all you need. Anything more than that, there's not enough oxygen. Oh dear, you guys were already waiting. Like, what in the world? You had this set up. What can you tell me about your weapon of math instruction?
Her name is Big Bo.
She's beautiful.
Her name is Big Bo.
Big Bo. Yes.
And she's beautiful.
Yes.
She is.
And
Okay.
she shoots?
She shoots? Okay, how far does she... Is that ball making... Oh my gosh. How far does Big Bo shoot?
Around 80 yards.
Around 80 yards. Okay, are you going to hit me in your first 3 shots?
Hopefully.
Okay. Well, you guys can do some test shots today if you want. Okay. Yeah. Hello. What can you tell me about your weapon of math instruction?
All right, so we chose to make a combustion cannon.
Yep.
That's pretty much where we put hairspray in this chamber down here. And then the hairspray we use is Aquanet. It's got a high alcohol base.
Yeah.
And then we seal it off with a ball at this end and this little tip at the end.
Okay.
We light the lighter, it combusts all the air, and it shoots straight out to the other side.
What kind of distances are you getting?
Ooh, 2 days ago, we got about 115, 100.
115. Okay. Are you going to hit me in your first 3 shots?
Well, we're going to try to.
Okay. Good luck. So what guys, can you guys tell me about your weapon of math instruction?
Yeah.
Whoa.
We did a air cannon.
Yeah, this is quite the, yeah.
We can launch it.
You can do as many practice launches as you want.
So we have 2-inch PVC pipe throughout the whole thing.
Okay.
We have a dual tank system right here.
Yeah.
Kind of so you can like shoot it like a rifle.
Nice.
And then we have 2 T's right here. One has the pressure gauge on the top, and one has the Schrader valve on the side, so you can fill it up. In order to keep all the air pressure in the tank, we have a ball valve right here. So it's also manual, so it's really easy to just twist it and then send the ball forward.
Fantastic.
Yep.
Are you going to hit me in your first 3 shots?
Probably.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'd like to think so, of course.
Ooh. Yeah. Oh, there seems to be a lot of work going on. How can you guys describe your weapon of math instruction to me?
Mildly. So it's a catapult.
Yes, it is.
Rubber band.
That is so many rubber bands.
Yeah, it's lots of rubber bands.
Oh
Some of
my.
them are actually breaking.
What an epic task that was. It
took
looks
us, like,
organic.
18 hours. It was a very long project.
Oh my gosh.
We're up until like 12. Organic is like phrasing things nice.
Oh, yeah.
Like we had a wood before, but then it snapped into
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so you went with something way lighter like PVC. Good move.
Although the PVC does bend slightly.
Yeah.
So then we had to make the rubber band strands a little bit longer to relieve some of the tension.
Okay, well, good luck. I think you're gonna nail it, or me maybe. Actually, you might just hit me in the head. I'll forget math. I'll stand wherever you guys need me to stand.
So you can stand like at point blank?
This is permanent. That's going on YouTube. Thanks, Sarah.
Sounds good.
Thanks, trying to kill me. Hello, what can you tell me about your weapon of math instruction?
Well, this is our trebuchet. So we flip it upside down here.
No, other way.
Other
This way.
Yeah.
And then we pull the pin and then it goes.
I'm glad you have a release pin.
Yes.
Yeah.
Kebab stick.
Because the matches kept breaking.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And what about is your release angle?
45.
Really? Oh man, that's brilliant. You guys must have worked hard on that.
It's this little hooky thing.
Yes, it is the little hook. Wow. Man, this is like a how-to for trebuchets. Well played.
I don't know if you'd say that if you haven't been.
All right, ma'am. Whoa. Whoa. What can you tell me about your weapon of math instruction?
It's a catapult.
It is a catapult. This
Yes.
thing is industrial looking.
Yeah.
Oh my, 4x4s everywhere.
Isn't it cool?
2x4s. Good
3D printed
grief.
cup.
3D printed cup. Man, this is like a custom build with, that is an axle that means it. So specifically, what kind of catapult is this?
It's 10 yards. Yeah. Huh?
Specifically,
What?
Yeah, I was like,
so
Each one of the big ones is 10 yards.
well, it goes, this first one's 10, after that's 5.
Oh.
Yeah. So what kind of catapult is this?
A torsion.
A torsion catapult. Excellent. Are you going to hit me in your first 3 shots?
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Man,
Fingers.
it goes pretty straight? Okay.